Will, what do you have to say about that?
I don't know. It was hard but worth it. Significantly stiffer than the stock BC racing days before, and you get some like nice benefits, like actually this time.
Right.
Adding engine oil, right, and stuff like that, and wiring. So
yeah. So main things: tighten up motor mounts.
What else is that?
yeah,
Header.
remove the header.
Connect it to the actual. Are we gonna do the actual exhaust?
Yeah, you might as well.
Yeah.
There's no point not to.
And then the axle bolts. We're trying to get the axles off so we can use the 1.8 liter differential.
Yeah.
And it's
Not so easy.
They're big boys.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Wait, did you just get it? How the fuck did you just get that? I got that on video too.
What the fuck just happened? Dude, I have no idea. That was so easy after I done the whole thing. What the fuck just happened?
We tried for like dude,
hours.
what the fuck? Huh. Well, fuck.
All right, so we can do
Jesus.
it. I mean, it's doable now.
It is doable, somehow.
Oh shit, it's moving the whole car. Yep. So.
Alright, Will got it. He's the man of the hour. So, little update. We're having some trouble with the header. Just a little trouble. Yeah. Fuck this.
You're not moving.
Nice.
So good looking. Oh, it's so much easier.
Alright, so the header is installed. Now what we're doing is basically just like a lot of little things. So I'm installing the shifter. We still have the exhaust to do. We got to hook the differential up, and then after that it's just a lot of little kind of small things like wiring and, you know, putting fluids in the engine again. So it's going to take some time, but all the big stuff is pretty much over besides the diff, but it can't be too bad. Yeah.
Don't say that.
I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, so see how this goes. Okay, so we've made progress. This is taking a very long time, but I think it'll be worth it. I finished the interior, so it's actually back together. Just got a bunch of little things to do.